Today I'm reviewing the Banque Chalus car loan offer, giving you a clear and honest look at what it's like to actually use their service for financing a vehicle. Starting with the application process, it's handled both online and in-branch, but the digital side is clearly not their strength. The website interface is outdated and somewhat confusing, especially when compared to more modern online banks. Navigation is clunky, and it takes time to even locate the car loan section if you're unfamiliar with the layout. Once you're in, the loan calculator tool is basic but functional. You can simulate different loan amounts and durations, but don't expect any kind of personalized recommendation or smart interface that guides you based on your financial profile. It's a straightforward input-output tool. After submitting a simulation, you're prompted to request an appointment or leave your contact details. There's no full online application process, which can be a downside for people looking for speed and convenience. The car loan terms themselves are fairly average. Interest rates can vary depending on the client profile and negotiation, but there's no clear transparency upfront about the lowest or average rates they offer. You're encouraged to speak directly with an advisor to get precise conditions. This approach might be okay for someone who prefers human interaction, but it's far from ideal for users who want a quick and autonomous process. Approval times are decent, and Banque Chalus does prioritize existing clients, so if you already have an account, you might get more favorable terms. That said, they don't compete with online banks when it comes to rate competitiveness or user experience. They do, however, pride themselves on personalized customer service, and according to user reviews, the in-person branch staff are generally helpful and responsive. Many other useful links you can find in the description. Now, one of the advantages Banque Chalus has is its local presence and integration with regional economic networks in France. If you live in their service area and prefer working with a bank that has roots in your community, this might be a deciding factor. They also allow for partial early repayments without penalties, which is a plus. On the downside, the lack of a full digital journey, limited loan options visible online, and opaque rate disclosure can be frustrating. Compared to national and online competitors, Banque Chalus doesn't stand out for innovation or digital ease. This can be especially off-putting for younger users or anyone used to handling their finances primarily through apps and websites. In summary, Banque Chalus's car loan is a decent traditional option for those who prefer face-to-face banking and already have a relationship with the institution. But if you value digital speed, lower rates, and full transparency, it might be worth comparing alternatives. Always simulate your options before signing anything. If this review helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews on financial services. Thanks for watching.